Happy fall, guys. So glad you made it back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be decorating my coffee station for the fall season. Right here, I'm just giving it a good wipe down, and then I'm going to be later on spraying it with the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray, and it is one of my favorite scents. It is the almond spice. No, not almond spice, acorn spice. Sorry, guys. And it smells amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, but most of all, subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. If you are new to the channel, my name is Sharetta. I do a lot of lifestyle videos. I vlog, I do DIYs, a lot of tablescapes, clean with me. So I'm pretty sure you'll find something you'll enjoy on this channel. So we're going to continue with getting this countertop cleaned up so I can start decorating my coffee station for the fall. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. My coffee station is going to be kind of like a little glam style. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And comment down below what was your favorite thing about this fall coffee station. And also comment what you are enjoying so far about the fall season. I am enjoying the cooler weather because we had a very hot summer, and I'm looking forward to doing family activities with my family. I love this time of year because of the holidays. It brings family closer together, and it just makes everyone really happy, puts everyone in just such a great mood. People are more caring and thoughtful this time of year. So I'm really looking forward to the fall season. Right here, I'm just showing you some of the items that I'm going to be using in my fall coffee station. So now that we have gotten the countertops cleaned off, we're going to start decorating. Here is the tray that I got from TJ Maxx. It is $12.99. And also, I am going to be using my thrift store find. I am obsessed with this candle holder, guys. It is a awesome score from the thrift store, and I spray painted it, and I am obsessed with it. So I'm not going to describe everything that I have or going to be using in the coffee station, but I will be showing it to you. So now that we have had everything set up, I am going to be filling up some of the containers with some snacks and some other items that I use in my coffee station, like sweetener. I have some fall candy, and I'm just gonna fill up some of the containers that I am using in my coffee station decor here. Guys, this is the drawer that I use for my coffee station essentials. I have my teas, bags in here. I have my coffee pods and some sweeteners and some other miscellaneous items that I use on a daily basis. This is my Glam 2020 Fall Coffee Station, and I think it looks awesome. You guys comment down below how you feel about this Glam Coffee Station. I'm going to give you an overview of the complete look, and then we're going to get into a detailed tour. I kind of switched things around a little bit, and we're going to get into that, like I said, in the detailed tour. We're going to start off to the right as usual with my Keurig, and then I have a coffee mug that I got from Hobby Lobby. And in the corner here is my thrifted candle holder, and on top are some containers that I did a simple little DIY. I just spray painted the top of the knobs with gold paint, spray paint, and I placed that autumn sign there. I just felt like it needed a little something. Here I'm switching this cup around. It had a heart on the front, and I'm switching it to the back where you can't see the heart. Let me know, do it look all right, you know, just plain like this, or should I have just left it with the heart showing. And I did kind of switch stuff from one side to the next to accommodate the autumn sign. These cups here, I got them from Burlington, and I'm obsessed with these cups because they are so cute. This one says Hello Pumpkin, and then the other one just has like pumpkins and leaves. I think what I like most about it is that they're, white cups, and then they have that gold detail. And right here is just a DIY floral arrangement that I made, and my little pumpkin here that is holding my little snack. So if you make you a cocoa or coffee, you can just grab you a little cookie there. And this little candle I got from TJ Maxx. It says Hello Fall. So I'm just giving you another overview of my fall coffee station. I think everything came out so nice. And comment down below if you like to decorate your coffee station. And oh yeah, guys, I forgot to show you this piece here. It's just a little tray. I got it from Ross, and it was like $2.99. The camera's not focusing, but yeah, it was like $2.99. And I just thought it would really look nice with the decor here on the coffee station. And I just placed that little gold spoon. That spoon came in a set, but I'm just using a spoon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye guys, see you in the next video.